How to add Snapchat friends you accidentally removed. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add your friends that you accidentally removed from the Snapchat. So use the quick add features, and if you recently removed a friend, that may will appear in your quick add list. So guys, please make sure to watch the complete video to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, they may still appear in the quick add list, and to access this list, open the Snapchat and tap on the add friends icon. So guys, let me remove one of my friend from this list. So guys, let me go to my profile. So let me tap right here, and after that I will get access to my friends. And now let me select one of the friend and let me remove that friend. And now you can see that I have to tap right here on the manage friendship. And after that you can see that I'm going to remove the friend. Now hit the remove button to confirm the remove. Now you have to tap right here on the add friend options, and you will get access to the quick add. Search for the name that you recently removed, and you can see that this friend will be and you can see that this friend is still there. So I can just tap right here on the add option, and this friend will be added again. So guys, this is how you can easily add the friends that you accidentally removed. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.